Nowadays, our towns and cities are ethnically and socially diverse. A common music culture is no longer something we all possess, but something we choose.
What do you say? It's in the air, can you smell it today? The chemical stench, poison decay, and you can block up your nose, but it won't go away. And what do you know? You're gone shot in your beds, and there's nowhere to go. Like the man said, you reap what you sow. It's like the man said, you reap what you sow. And when the rain stops falling, will you water the garden? When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden? When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden with your tears?
I think in a way, you can make a case that nearly all music is folk music. Because folk music is really something that comes out of a specific place and time, and that says something about the experience of the people living there. I think rap music, in a sense, is folk music as well, because there's a music that speaks as well of an environment. Let's say the South Bronx in New York, which is a very tough, gritty urban environment.
When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden with your tears? With your tears.
And I think we're all engaged in Welsh folk music. And there's a rock and roll element to it, there's a pop element to it, there's an electronic element to it.
When we went electric, then since then we've taken on all sorts of influences, African music, South American music, punk, anything goes really, is what we're playing now. And we've also listened to British folk music, English folk music, Welsh folk music and Irish folk music, and put a bit of everything into our sound, really.
When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden with your tears? When the rain stops falling. When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden? When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden? When the rain stops falling, will you water the garden with your tears? With your tears.
There's a lot of energy, industrial type of energy in our music, clattery sort of energy, that reflects South Wales as well. And you'll listen to a number of our songs, you'll pick up on that clattery, driving style that we have.
Wherever a folk musician is, and by folk musician I mean a person who isn't a highly trained professional musician, but someone who is living within a society and is creating music, wherever that person lives, their music will reflect what's around them. And we live in a society where you don't only hear or see things which are happening around you, you hear and see things on the radio which are coming in from America, coming in from France, coming in from all across the globe. You know, so whatever our music reflects, if it's reflecting a local thing, then it's got to reflect the world as well.